YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how I do a frontal bonding bob. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this particular video, I did not show the breakdown nor did I show the prepping part, but I'm just going to go ahead and get straight into sewing down the back of the frontal. While sewing down the back of the frontal, you will want your client to hold the frontal in the front in place so that it lays exactly where you need it to be. Part of the video, as you can see, I am just clipping back the front of the hair so that way when I lay down my bold hole lace glue, and also cleaning the area that none of the hair is in the way. Just a heads up that when you are cleaning the skin with alcohol, you want to use 91% or stronger. I'm using 99% alcohol by the brand Swan. I found this at my local beauty supply, and maybe you can too. Spread that glue out very thin. I did it off camera, but I didn't want the video to be extremely long, so I cut that part out. But I also blow dry the glue just a little bit to make it turn clear a little faster, and then you want to pull the lace down into that glue and make sure that your client is holding down each side as you blow dry that glue into place, which gives it the meltdown effect. After blow drying that lace into place, you want to go ahead and start cutting off the extra lace that's left on the frontal. Be mindful that you do want to cut in zigzag and not straight across to give it a more natural effect. Mindful that you need to cut off the extra lace on both sides of the frontal because you don't want it to be glued over their ears. So please cut off the extra lace around their ears, but please be careful so that you don't cut your client. After you finish cutting off the extra lace, just go ahead and take your bold hold, a wooden stick, and just tack down those pieces that are still lifted. is time to wrap up that frontal, yes, because we need that molding effect. So just go ahead and take some elastic band or a scarf and wrap down your client's frontal. And while you are letting that mold into place, just go ahead and bond in the back of their hair. After bonding in all the back of the hair, just go ahead and remove that elastic band or scarf from the frontal so that you can see that molding effect. And just go ahead and continue to watch this video as I style this hair and cut it into a bob. You want to be very careful when using the hot comb because it can burn and scar your client. So just take your time with the hot comb and test it out before putting it on your client's hair. As you can see in this video, my client hair is looking very, very natural already. And I'm not even done yet. Keep in mind, she will not be getting any baby hairs because she loves her hair as natural as possible. And once again, this is no filter. But if you continue to practice and watch my videos, you will be able to get your work to look like this as well. I'm using to bump my client's hair is a 1.5-inch Remington flat iron, which I purchased from my local Walmart. But if you don't have a Walmart in your area, you should be able to purchase this at a local Walgreens. she's all done and looking as natural as possible. So thank you guys for watching once again, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your alarm bell so whenever I post a new video, you will be the first one to know. Thank you.